Hello students and friends. So we are planning to have group study for GATE 2024. So here in this video we are going to see what is the exam pattern. So before going to start the study we will first see this. So if you type GATE 2024 you will get this first website, and I have clicked on this, and here you can go to download section and you will see there are a lot of sections are here, a lot of tabs are here. So this first one is information browser. You have to download this and you have to read this carefully. You can also get question papers for previous year according to your subject. So I have already downloaded this information browser, so I will directly open this. So I will go to first the content. You can see here there are abbreviations, highlights, important dates, and all the things are there. So I will first go to the pattern of examination, because this is a very important thing. I have highlighted few things, that the mode of examination is CBT mode, that is you have computer based test, and the duration will be 3 hours. This will have two sections. First section will contain general aptitude, that is GA, and then candidates select a subject. So in our case it is physics. Type of questions we have MCQ, MSQ and NAT. Means MCQ we all know we have 4 options, and out of 4 we have only one correct option. Here we also have MSQ. MSQ means multiple select questions. Here out of 4 any number of options may correct, that is we can have single correct answer, or we may have 2 or more, that is maximum 4 correct answers also we can have. So if all correct alternatives you have chosen, then only you will get the full marks. Then we have numerical answer type. Here we have to type the number as an answer. So using virtual keyboard we can type the answer. So we will see in next some videos how to do this. So here total number of questions are 65, out of which 10 questions are general aptitude questions and 55 are related to physics. So here PH means physics. So for physics we have 15 marks for general aptitude and 85 marks for physics questions. Questions may carry 1 or 2 marks. So out of this general aptitude questions, out of 10 questions, we have 5 questions for 1 mark and 5 questions for 2 marks. Similarly, for 55 questions also there are some questions are for 1 mark and some questions are for 2 marks. So as you can see, if the 1 mark question is there, it is a little bit more simple than the 2 mark question. So if you compare the difficulty level of GATE and NET, GATE is very easy compared to NET. So it is very easy to qualify the exam if you have basic understanding of the concepts, because you can see out of 100 the cutoff is vary for 30 to 32 marks. Okay, so sometimes even less mark. So when I qualified I got 29 and the cutoff was at 28. So it is a little bit easier to qualify this exam. Then we also have negative marking for MCQ, that is 1/3 mark is deducted. So if 1 mark question is there, minus 1/3, and if 2 mark question is there, then minus 2/3. But there is no negative marking for MSQ and NAT, that is multiple select question and numerical answer type question. We don't have any negative marking, so you can attempt all the questions in that particular segment, and there is no partial marking. Okay, so if in case of MSQ, so there are suppose 3 questions, suppose there are 3 alternatives are correct, then you selected 2, then you will not get some mark because you selected 2. If you select only 3, then only you will get the full marks, otherwise you will get 0 mark. Here on page number 24 we have given the details of the test paper and what are the type of question, how they will be, how MCQ will carry mark, and all these things are given. You can read here. Here we can see especially for NAT type of questions, we may have the correct answer in terms of this total integer, or we can also have like this. You can see here there is only 1 digit after decimal point. Here are 2 decimals after 1 decimal after the decimal point. And how we can decide? So the question itself will tell you that how much integers will be there, or whether it is decimal or not. So you have to see in the question, and in the question itself it is given that it will be for 1 mark or 2 marks. So you have to do this, you have to read this very carefully. Now I will directly jump to the syllabus of this test paper. So first thing is, what is syllabus for general aptitude? So we can see it has some components. One of them is verbal aptitude. Then we also have quantitative aptitude, then analytical aptitude, spatial aptitude. So we have all the discussion here. We will go through this and in the upcoming video. But instead of general aptitude, I will focus on the physics because it is 85 mark section. So here it is, physics syllabus. So we have mathematical physics, classical mechanics, classical electromagnetic theory or electrodynamics, quantum mechanics, thermodynamics and statistical mechanics, atomic and molecular physics. Then we have solid state physics, electronics and nuclear and particle physics. This 9 papers or 9 sections we have for physics, and this detail you can see in this brochure. Now if you see the question paper, you will see that the most of the questions based on the some basic understanding of your knowledge, like even some questions you can solve with your knowledge of 12th or BSc. So therefore this is very easier exam. So if you understand the basics, then it is very easy. So in the upcoming videos we will discuss some problems and important questions, and stay tuned. So if you have not subscribed yet, you subscribe and press the bell icon so that you will get the notification of the upcoming videos when I will upload this. Thank you so much for watching.